Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka app na ka Play Store.
Hatu pikwa baki jan jongpi kin khuit bha, benar kam da ka Oswell Soup, hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
To understand what is all about.
President Jonga Voice of the People's Party uba Ardent milam basyang moy haka arpunyau trik unaitung arhajar arpulai. Ula Pynrem jur yaki Paidbhur Kiba Thombor yaka Chief Minister's Officer ha Tura haka janmi jongka arpusal trik unaitung arhajar arpulai. Katba menteri rangba udang syong jingalang bat kikunhun baper jongka ridom garu. Kiba dawaban pentrikam syadien yaka reservation policy bat dawaban pelong yaka nong ba Tura kum ka winter capital. Haka jingga kram bikala patai kubor uba Ardent ulaong baka ni jingja kalong ka bas ngausi bat haka jokopor ula Pynrem jur yaki badan keti halor kani kam.
All, let me tell you that it is very unfortunate that such incident happened, and especially against the Chief Minister of the state. It should not have happened in the first instance. And no matter how agitated you are, but I don't think it is right on the part of the agitators or the protesters to resort to such an extreme steps where it may cause harm to the Chief Minister. As far as that issue is concerned, it is the duty of the police, to investigate, to ascertain the causes of the attack. But looking from the media, I don't think it is right on our part to appreciate such incident. We have to condemn it outrightly that we should not encourage our youths or people, to resort to violence. I don't know. I fail to understand what is all about, because what we feel that if the people protest, they protest as public, When we raise the issue, though we raise as a political party, but the people who participated in the protest or in the agitation, they are not coming, in the name of the party organization. So I don't know in what way that the police department drawn to a conclusion that these agitators belongs to certain political parties. I don't have anything to say on that. I think without any doubt, I can say that there was a lapses on the part of the police department. They must have gathered information that the mob, are preparing to attack the Chief Minister, especially after having heard a statement given by the DGP that it was a pre-planned, organized, all these kind of things to resort to such a step. So obviously it was a lapse on the parts. They should have prevented, they should have reinforced the police personnel not to allow the mob, to get that opportunity to create such incidents.